Hi students, welcome back to my journey. We are going to see sum number 21, x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So let us take I is equal to integral x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So as we know that if the integral is of the form px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c, then we can write the numerator as a into d by dx of denominator plus b. So let x plus 2 is equal to a into d by dx x square plus 2x plus 3 plus b. So this is equal to a into, on differentiating we get 2x plus 2 plus b. So this is equal to 2ax plus 2a plus b, and we are equating it to x plus 2. Now comparing the coefficients of x. So comparing the coefficients of x. So when we compare we get 1 equal to 2a. So what is the value of a? A is nothing but 1 by 2. So we found out the value of a. Now what is the other thing we have to find out? We have to find out the value of b. How it is possible? It is possible by comparing the constants. So on comparing the constants we get 2 is equal to 2a plus b. So 2a plus b is equal to 2. But we found out the value of a to be as 1 by 2. So 2 into a value to be as 1 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. So it gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. So b value is 2 minus 1 is 1. So we found out the value of b. A and b, just substitute in x plus 2. So we can write x plus 2 as 2, that is a value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 plus b value is 1. So I is equal to, in the place of x plus 2 we can write it as 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2 plus 1 divided by the denominator into dx divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Now I can split the integrals. So 1 by 2 into integral 2x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx plus integral dx divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So we can write it as 1 by 2 I1 plus I2. So first we have to find out the value of I1, and after that we have to find out the value of I2. Then we have to club. So I1. So I1 equal to integral. What is the integral of I1? 2x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So let us write this. 2x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. So here we can observe that on differentiating the denominator we can get the numerator. So in that case we used to take the substitution. Let t is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. So on differentiating we get 2x plus 2. So in dt divided by 2x plus 2 is equal to dx, because we want the value of dx. So we found out t and as well as the dx. So let me highlight this, t value and dx value. So we are going to substitute in I1. So I1 becomes integral 2x plus 2 as it is, 2x plus 2 divided by square root of t, dx value is dt divided by 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 gets cancelled, and we are left with the integral 1 by t, 1 divided by root t dt. So this is equal to integral 1 divided by t. This is t power half. When it comes to numerator it becomes t power minus half. On integrating, t power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c1. So this is equal to t power half divided by half plus c1. So this becomes 2 root t plus c1. So 2 root t. T value is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 3. Always remember we have to give back the substitution. X square plus 2x plus 3 plus c1. So this is the value of I1. Now we have to find out the value of I2. So I2 is equal to integral dx divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So here I cannot get on differentiating I cannot get the numerator. So we have to consider the denominator. So consider x square plus 2x plus 3. So we can write this 3 as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2. Because 3 we can write it as 1 plus 2 in order to get the form x plus 1 the whole square. Plus this 2 we can write it as root 2 the whole square. So that it won't affect the previous term. Now I2 is equal to dx divided by square root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square. We can directly use dx divided by square root of x square plus a square, or we can take substitution also. So we are having I is equal to dx divided by square root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square. So here if we want substitution we can take substitution. Let t is equal to x plus 1. On differentiating dt by dx is equal to 1. So dt is equal to dx. So we have to substitute the value of t and dx in I2. So I2 is equal to integral dt divided by square root of t square plus root 2 square. So this is of the form integral dx divided by, since this resembles the integral dx divided by square root of x square plus a square is equal to log modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square. So this is equal to log modulus x value is t plus square root of t square plus a square, that is it is root 2 square plus C2. So once again we have to give back the t value. So this is equal to log modulus t. T value is x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2. Okay. So x plus 1 plus, on simplifying we get x square plus 2x plus 2 plus 1, this is 3. 3 plus C2. So we found out the value of I2. Now we have to find the value of I. So what is I? I is equal to, let us see the previous slides. Here we are having the I1 value, and here we are having the I value. I value is 1 by 2 I1 plus I2. So let us substitute here. I is equal to 1 by 2 I1 plus I2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 I1. So I1 value 2 into square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log modulus x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus, we can write it as c, because both the c1 and c2, even it is in fraction also, we get a c only. That is 1 by 2 c1 and c2, both value when we add we get c only. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log modulus x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Okay, since we are writing that half c1 plus c2 is equal to c. So this is the answer.